Welcome back to McPhee Ford. Today we'll be doing a walk around and point of view drive of this 2022 Ford Mustang GT. Now this particular Mustang is a GT premium model finished in Atlas Blue Metallic. It has the 401A package, which is the high package for the Mustang GT. We also do have the performance package, the GT performance package, which does include these 19-inch gloss black aluminum wheels on a Pirelli summer tire. There's your 5-liter badge on the side. You do have a white racing stripe across the top. This is a fastback, so it's the coupe. You also can get a convertible option. Here's another look at these 19-inch wheels. You do get a 275 width tire in the back with a 255 in the front. We get the Mustang infamous sequential LED taillights. We do have the active valve performance exhaust. It's a 4-mode exhaust. There's your GT badge on the back with the reverse camera up there. Okay, coming right to the front end here, we do have these full LED headlights with your fog lights down there. We do get the GT specific front end with the additional struts here in the grille. Nice pony logo right in the middle. Of course, we do have the 5-liter V8 with the GT model. But with that being said, let's hop in and take it for a drive. Setting off here in the Mustang, again, 2022 Mustang GT Premium. It has the 401A package, which is the high package for the Mustang. So this Mustang is fully loaded. It has the Magneride damping system. It also has the Bang & Olufsen sound system, the active valve performance exhaust, which does sound fantastic. Ford did a fantastic job with the exhaust note. They actually did a sort of mid-cycle refresh in 2018, which did introduce the active valve performance exhaust. It also gave it a little bit of a facelift. The 10-speed automatic. Now this particular one does have the 6-speed manual, which is a fantastic transmission. Has active rev matching. You also can get the 10-speed automatic. Part of the 401A package, we do get the fully digital gauge cluster. It's a My-Color gauge cluster, so you can actually change the colors in there. You can change the colors of the gauges up here. So this is the auxiliary gauge pack that you do get with the performance package. Now, something you do notice with the performance package is that because we do have the 19-inch wheels, also the heavier duty springs, you also have additional engine braces. It does ride a little bit stiffer than you would find on your typical Mustang. But again, this is a very daily drivable car. I mean, you could easily drive this all year round. You know, in the snow it might be a little different, but this does have 5 liters. Sounds so good in this thing. You can drop it into Sport Plus mode. Yeah, this 5-liter sounds so good. Ford did a fantastic job with the tuning on this particular engine. Very similar to the one you would find in your F-150. What's nice about the Mustang is you could drop it in a 6th gear, you could turn off the exhaust valves, close everything up, it'd be super quiet. You do get a little bit of road noise from the tires, because they do have a lower profile tires, so they're a little bit louder than the standard 18s or even 17s. But again, very quiet ride. Now the question is the Mustang the last American muscle car offering, with the Camaro being discontinued, the Challenger being discontinued in 2023 or 2024? Nobody's really sure what's happening with the Mustang. The Mustang is getting a redesign for 2023 or 2024. We're not really sure. So we're not sure if they're going to stick with the 5-liter, or are they going to go to maybe a V6? Are they going to offer the 6-speed manual anymore? All these questions we're not really sure. We do have this nice Sync 4 display here, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It also has navigation. We can adjust our climate control right from here. We do have dual zone automatic climate control. With these standard bucket seats, we do get actually the heated and cooled function, which is certainly a nice feature. We do have heated and cooled seats. If you option in the Recaro bucket seats, you do lose the heating and cooling function. You also lose all of the power functionality as well. So that is something to keep in mind. If you want the Recaro seats, you do lose, mostly all of your sort of features and comfort. Although they do look a lot cooler, you do lose a lot of your functionality. We do have the grabber blue accent stitching. So it is on top here on top of the dash, as well as on the seats here. We do have a nice grabber blue accent stitching, which is certainly pretty cool, especially on the shifter here as well, all along the dash and on the center console. Now the 5-liter V8 for this year makes 450 horsepower, which is actually down from last year. They actually brought it down. It was 460 last year, now it's 450. I'm not entirely sure why they did that. If you know, let us know in the comments. I'd certainly like to know why, but not like that extra 10 horsepower would make any difference, because this thing is super quick on its own. And what's crazy about the Mustang is that you could easily add like a supercharger kit and make 800 horsepower and be stupid fast. The 6-speed manual transmission is a fantastic transmission. It does have active rev matching, which you can turn off in the center gauge cluster there. I do currently have it on because it actually is a pretty nice feature to have, especially on days when you really don't have to deal with the manual. You could throw it on rev matching and it'll automatically rev match for you. Makes it sound like you know what you're doing. But that'll pretty much do it for this video. I did just want to shoot a quick point of view drive of this particular Mustang. If you want to see more stuff like this, feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next video.